common day-to-day programming. So overall, it affects the productivity of the developer if we go with these new enhanced programming skills. Strings in switch statements, then try with resources statements, improved type interface for generic instance creation, better integral literals, and improved in exception handlings. We will see a few examples and code examples also on all these language enhancements. Apart from that, there are enhancements in concurrency and collection updates also. A lightweight, this is a new framework, fork and join framework. This has been introduced. And flexible and reusable synchronization barriers and also transfer queues are introduced. Binary integral literals. With Java 7, you can now create numerical literals using binary notation with prefix 0b. So this is a binary literal with value 32. So this has been introduced in Java 7. Now numeric literals, basically they are eye strainers. I'm sure you would start counting the zeros like me if you have been given a number with say 10 zeros or 7 zeros or even more zeros. It's quite error prone and cumbersome to identify the literal. If it's a million or a billion, or if you can say if we count in our Indian language, so maybe crores or lakhs. Now, not anymore in Java 7 has introduced basically underscore in identifying the places for literals. Now, you can easily identify 10 crore, 10 lakh, 100 crore. So, you can use these underscores in between your literals. So, it is better to understand and also less error prone than earlier. Look at this code. Can you think of what the output will be? Just see. All these things are same. If you say this is 1 million, then this is 10 lakh. Both values are same and this is again. So if you run this particular code, you will get both the conditions true. Now consecutive underscore is legal. Even you can place more than one underscores. Underscore can be included in other numeric types also, like double, long, even hex or byte. Underscore can be included after the decimal point also. It is illegal to start a literal with underscore. This is not allowed. It is illegal to start a literal with underscore. Even it is also illegal to end a literal with underscore. And it is also illegal to have a underscore just after the decimal point. So these are the few guidelines when you use underscored literals. Strings in switch. Before Java 7, switch can only be used on char, byte, short, int, character, byte, short, integer wrapper classes or enum type. Java 7 adds strings, making the switch instruction much friendlier. The Java compiler generates generally more efficient bytecode from the switch statements that use string objects than from the chained if-else statements that you might be using in earlier versions. So it is better to program, better to code, and even it is efficient while the program gets executed, because it generates more efficient bytecodes. Just look at this example. This is what developer used to before Java 7. This is a simple method that converts word to digit. Suppose you pass on a string over here, say 1, ONE1. So this condition holds true and it will return this numeric digit 1. So there is a list of if, around 10 ifs are there. So this is till Java 7, till Java 6. Now in Java 7, the code can be like this. You can use switch. Case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. Each case will assign a value to the return value, and then this return value will return the digit converted into numeric. Now collections. The interface transfer queue has been added. It is basically a refinement of blocking queue interface in which producer can wait for consumer to receive elements. One implementation of new interface